Hello guys, welcome back with new video. In this video I will help you how to fix something went wrong on Google Play Store. So let's start without wasting any time. So here you can see I have the problem of something went wrong. Go back. I have the dashboard of Google Play Store, but when I search and install any app, so here you can see I am searching Facebook. So I am facing this problem. So how can we fix it? So let's start. So first of all, open your settings and scroll down and click on apps and notifications. Click here and click CR93 apps. Click here and scroll down and find Play Store. So here you can see Play Store is there. So you need to click here and click on Force Stop. And after this click on Storage and Cache. You need to click here and click on Clear Storage. So after this go back. So if your mobile functions are different from my mobile functions, then I'll tell you how you reach at these functions. So the shortcut is you need to click and hold on Play Store and click on App Info. Click here. So here you can see you will be there. So after this go back and check your Google Play Store now. So now you can see I am facing again and again this error. So after this go back and click on settings and click on network and internet. Click here and click on network management. So after this click on Wi-Fi because we are using Wi-Fi. So scroll down and here you can see Google Play Store. You need to check in Google Play Store. So now checked in and go back and now open Google Play Store. So maybe it may take some times. So here you can see my Google Play Store is open. So now I'm searching any app. So Facebook. So here you can see now I'm searched this app. So I have already installed it. Therefore I have the option of open. So this is the procedure to set your something went wrong Google Play. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.